So, magbe-bake kami ni Anne. A lot of you actually requested for this. Like, every time I ask for a video suggestion, you always say parang cook-off or basta anything na parang cooking with Anne. Kasi na-enjoy nyo yung messy cooking namin last time. Favorite na niya magtambay sa chair. Super interesting nung gagawin namin today kasi we're gonna recreate yung mga Korean minimalist cake, yung mga very sikat. So, yan. Second time na namin to gagawin. Yung first time, it was a fail. Pero masarap yung loob. Tapos, ayan, gawin namin today. Set up ko lang yung camera. We have our ingredients here. I think last time, hindi na namin mention lahat. Parang, we'll just mention the ingredients as we go along. But, yan, basics lang. Okay, so, again, as always, we have some questions for you guys that we will be answering. First, we're gonna mix cake flour. Ayan, okay. Cocoa powder. 1/4 cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. By the way, guys, wala kaming background in cooking or baking or anything. 1/2 cup of butter na sumabog sa microwave namin. So, tignan mo, oh. Soften. This is melted. Ang dami namang asukar niyan. Ano yan, kuya? Oh, sige. Yung iPad ko po ay punong-puno na ng lahat ng ingredients. How does it feel to become a UP student? And what course she's taking up? She's taking up Archi. How does it feel to be a UP student? Sucks lang. Sucks lang? No, no. What? Siyempre, nga, top school yung UP. Pero siyempre may problems pa rin sila. Especially na maraming scholars sa UP, hindi naman masyado na-address ng admin yung mga kailangan ng students. So, students are being left behind. There's a question, who's smarter? Obviously, it's my sister. I failed all of my entrance exam and she's in UP. So, yeah, I'm gonna give it to her. She's smarter, but not in everything. Like, ano, wala kang mabigay. Dude, like, you're stupid when it comes to directions, to like basic life survival things. Oh, yung mga ganon. 2 eggs. Oops. Ano po pala din yung pinag-aawayan? Mainly just each other's attitude, I guess. Like, wala kaming specific na, may specific ba? Feeling ko mainly nag-aaway lang kami kapag irritable, ganon. Like, when she's stressed, I keep on nagging her. She gets annoyed. And then I get annoyed also when I'm stressed sa work, tapos she's nagging me. Since Rei is a grown-up now, what bonding of yours do you miss when you were both bata pa? I don't have lots of memories na, may puta ka. Hindi siya nagja-drop. Bilis na, walang kwenta ka talaga. Wala naman. Oh, fuckery, nahulog. Yeah! Wala kami masyadong memory of like bonding na kami lang. Kasi medyo malaki yung gap namin eh. What's our age gap? 5 years. So, mainly my childhood kasi here in the province. So, kasi sanay ako talaga na yung, alam mo yung magluluto-lutuan kayo sa labas using mga lata ng kung ano-ano dyan. So, yeah, ganon. Tapos si Anne, she grew up with her yaya. And then, nandito na siya sa house. So, like, wala kaming bonding na kaming dalawa lang when we were kids. Pero, like, marami kaming memories yung mga swimming with cousins and all. I think, mas nagbo-bond na kami now that we're older compared when we were kids. And also, she was way bitchier when she was a kid. Like, sobrang hindi ko kaya. You would pull my hair, you would scratch me. Ito rin naman. O, basta, we were kids, yun. We were, like, 2 girls na, we were kids talaga. Alisin mo na yung iPad ko, awang-awa na ako sa kanya. At wala, ayan na, mahirap na. So, i-mix natin siya dahan-dahan. What's your favorite K-drama? So, sige, top 3 na lang.
While you were sleeping, hospital playlist, and then, hala. Siguro in terms of overall na to, siguro ito.
It's okay? Okay, ako, while you were sleeping, same with Anne, it's okay. Maybe Reply, 1988. Sorry. How to stay motivated during online class? I feel like you should answer this seriously because I swear, a lot of people are really having a hard time and I cannot answer for them. The fact that you're able to learn in the current situation is a privilege. Is that an enough motivation for you?
But I'm not learning.
Feeling that Guilty!
Lalo na as a design-based course, it's so hard. Past few months, literally akad-akad ako, tapos bigla nila started to play a game. Tapos yun na, yung buhay ko ngayon.
Games in ACAD.
Yeah.
So do you recommend for them to have something else than ACAD?
Always set time to rest. Don't compare yourself to other people. Kasi syempre, lagi mo tinatanong, uy, tapos ka na. And then syempre, you're gonna get discouraged kasi tapos na siya. Like, minsan kasi, magi-guilty ka kasi wala kang ginagawa. But I don't think you should be guilty kasi it's okay naman to rest. Especially now we're in this
pandemic. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so we're warming the oven. And, okay na to, so, we decided na Rayan's gonna do the big pan. And then, I'm going with a small pan. Sabi niya, nape-pressure ka daw ba with the fact that, you know, I was able to do things already in my life.
Not really. Even I myself, I don't know what to do with my life. I just wanna keep studying. So, I'm okay with not working.
And, feeling ko na-enjoy niya na freeloader siya. Her only excuse is, I'm still a student. And then, you know, she gets everything for free. So, I don't think she's pressured. And also, feeling ko it's also a big factor that my line of work is so far from her dream. So, I don't think...
Malay mo, minsan baka someday mag-YouTuber na lang ako, baka di ka.
Pero alam niyo ba na nauna si Anne mag-YouTube sa akin?
Hey, it's me, Rian, and my cousin, she's gonna sing background. And we're gonna sing Justin G. Price Tag. Oh, 3, 2, 1. How did there reach of waters? It's me again, Rian. I'm gonna sing Justin Bieber Electric Dreamy.
Ayan, nauna si Anne mag-YouTube sa akin. How old were you back then? I think she was 9?
7.
Yeah, 7, 8, 9. She started posting videos of herself on YouTube. We didn't even know, like, until maybe 4 years ago. Sobrang funny. If you want me to react on her YouTube videos, let me know.
Minsan, iisipin mo rin na baka mag-ibang job ka na lang considering if you look at how underpaid RT is in the Philippines. Like, may mga po, nagpo-post po dyan na gumagawa ng sarili ng bahay pero hindi naman nagpo-follow ng National Building Code. You don't realize how dangerous it is.
How do you want to spend Christmas this year? I don't know.
You know, hindi ko nga na-feel na Christmas, bigla na lang.
Nagka-Christmas tree.
I mean, we're not really big on Christmas kasi.
Yeah, that's
The
true.
most Christmas thing we do is go out of the country. Siyempre, hindi naman natin yung magagawa.
Our goal before was to go to church and then just visit our grandparents for Christmas. Tapos mag-eat lang kami, we open gifts, that's it. We're not really big when it comes to Christmas. And yeah, ano mga plan natin this Christmas? Do you wanna go with me to Bicol? With Maggie's family? People, if only we can bring the dogs, actually I would.
Hindi po na, Jean.
Hi, Popoy! Dami talaga nagtatanong about online class. Feeling ko nahihirapan sila.
It helps for me, like, for example, nagpa-plates kami together, me and my friends.
So parang you recommend studying still together even virtually with your friends?
Kasi pag may question ka, yan lang, salita ka lang. Like, it might feel like you're alone, but you're not alone.
Sino po ang mas kuripot?
Me.
You are?
Dude, your bags.
Whenever you have money to spend, you spend a lot also.
No! Sa cooking diary nga, ilan na lang.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so cooking diary, I spent thousands on cooking diary na. Ikaw, magkano ng bed?
Wala, 250 lang, girl.
Weh! Ako, pag bago restaurant, may bago na akong points eh. How was it having an ate Rei in your life?
In Korea, Rei Germar.
That's her saying, if you have any inquiries, email me and don't message her. How many times do you fight with each other? Less compared to when we were in QC. Do you guys make chika with each other then? Oo. Pero like...
You make the chica. You give me the chica.
Oh, no, you would say, ate, did you see this?
Pag like other people.
Kaya nga.
Okay, I guess.
Yeah, we chika. Pero mostly about social issues. Yeah, yun lang naman. Or like sometimes I rant to her even if she doesn't care. I rant to her about work or something. Kahit na alam ko na nga naman siyang pake or hindi siya nagpe-pay attention. I just really need to, you know, release it. Ang dumi ko, ang kalat. Oh my gosh. Can you tell them how long they're gonna bake it?
Oh, 30 minutes.
We're gonna wait lang for the cake to bake. Advice for people who compare sisters in the past kasi it took a toll in my mental health. Pero when I was younger, I was really dark. I was super skinny and my hair was extremely curly. And Anne, she was super white and her hair was super long and straight. So I was like compared to her a lot of times when I was younger.
Okay lang. Nag-switch na tayo ngayon, girl.
Ha?
May friend si mama yung pag-meet sa atin.
Ay, di maganda. Tapos pag-ahap, ay, di maganda.
dali mo.
Toxic Filipino culture yun.
Other people rin tend to compare. Ano sabihin sa kanya?
I hope it doesn't affect your relationship with your sister. Kasi at the end of the day, you should have each other's back. But yeah, I feel you because I was in that position. She was in that position. I think we're still in that position right now. Like, a lot of people compare us.
Who do you think is the favorite?
I like this question. Between the two of us.
I think Mama likes you more. Papa likes you because like I'm an artist ko din.
No!
And then Mama likes you more kasi pag nag-aaway kayo, masisig kayo magpat. You make chika with Mama, that's why she likes you more. You don't bond.
Breakdown moments and how you handle it as an older sister. Can I tell them?
Okay.
Recently, she had a panic attack and I froze also. And that experience taught me a lot na parang, shit, pag may masama palang nangyari, hindi ko pala kaya gumalaw. Because I literally froze here. And I kept pushing Maggie to go up and check. And then I started hearing doors opening. I heard Mama walk. That's when I realized na, okay, that's Anne. So I went up. Was it annoying of me na I was asking you questions? Yeah, because I was asking her questions because I wanted to understand.
I got annoyed because everyone was there.
Where is it, dude?
No, di ko naglabas. What the hell are you saying?
We're adding butter.
You know what? I'm just gonna mind the measurements.
Ito yung favorite ko, yung parang pencil. Sige, push mo siya with your... No! Ayaw? Uy! Ang baboy!
Nasaan na siya? Even this one, grabe. Sino man nag-ship nito? I forgot na nga kung kanina to, kung saan ko ito binili. So, wait, ang feel natin. It's so...
Ang liit niya.
It's so ganon.
Mukha siyang muffin. Pero wait, let's cut this na. Okay. Ang sarap! Very good.
Ready na isa.
Ate, wait!
Holy shit, that's so ugly.
Wait.
How do I... Wait, can you tell me how to cut this?
Pwede ko titikman.
Wait, wag mo naman ganyan eh. Nag-aayos ako dito. Ouchie! So, this is our first finished product.
Ang pangit na rin.
Pangit siya, pero promise, ang sarap. Ang sarap nung cream cheese, ang sarap ng red velvet. Maggie wants it now, so we're gonna give it to him. Yeah. And then, meron akong isang nilagyan ng topping. Nilagay ko sa ref muna para tumigas, para pwede natin siyang lagyan ng tek sa taas. Oh, diba? Mukha siyang donut, pero masarap siya, promise. Ayan siya. Sorry na po yung video. Biglang nagka-class si Anne, speaking of online class. But here are some photos of the cake na ginawa niya. Sobrang funny. Ginawa niya nung una is white and pink ombre. And then she put Luna and Bo. Tapos nainis siya. Tapos minix niya, so naging blue na lang siya. It doesn't look super aesthetic, pero guys, masarap siya. I will be linking down below the recipe. Sobrang dali lang yung i-follow. And yeah, sana na-enjoy nyo to kahit sobrang kalat. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!